This video will highlight all the features we have introduced in our asset management module. Stay with us and see what RepairDesk has got for you this time. In the repair industry, efficiency is the key to success. Asset management empowers repair businesses to minimize downtime, better tracking of the devices you repair, and ultimately elevate customer satisfaction. Assets are the devices that our users support and repair for their customers. Review tickets associated with the device, or store hardware configurations, or any other information needed for a specific device. Now let's look at how the RepairDesk Asset Management module helps its users. On your home screen, click on Customers, and in the drop-down menu, choose to Manage Assets. There you can see the asset type, device name, and other details of your customers, like the names, email IDs, IMEI of their smartphones, and the dates when assets were created, making it even easier to track everything. By applying filters, you can have data according to your preference and fetch out the required data. You can also export the assets and all the information you need through this module. For instance, you can search for a customer's details through their smartphone's contact number, name, or IMEI serial, saving you time and hassle. If you want to hide specific columns from the listing, you can uncheck it and it will simply disappear. Also, you can mark custom fields for each repair category to display them on asset listing for more details of each asset. Now click on Save to keep the setting. Using RepairDesk's Asset Management module, your repair shop has never been more organized. It's a game changer. By clicking on the associated tickets, you can have all the insights. This concludes our Asset Management module overview for all our users. I hope you like watching this video. Stay tuned and wait till we come up with another exciting feature for you.